Hello everyone, it is Hurricane Hannah here. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Core at Home Twistlock Dumbbells. I'm going to do an unboxing and a review for those of you thinking about buying this product. So without further ado, let's begin. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to do an unboxing. I know it's really important that your package and product shows up without any damage. So how would I rate this package? Well, I would say it's probably 4.5, 5 out of 5 stars. I know there's a little bit of tape coming up. There's one hole in the box here that is really minor. Honestly, for a 50-pound product, I think that it was really well wrapped. My first weight did not come with any damage. So let's unbox this and see if this one had any damage. Alrighty, so upon opening, I did discover that there was a little bit of broken styrofoam. Again, not a huge deal to me. I'd still rate it 4.5 stars. On the packaging, a lot of styrofoam. I think that it looks safe. So, upon opening, I can see this has no damage. Very nicely packaged, in my opinion. Now, let's see how easy it is to set up, right? So we have its little base. We have these little weights, which are 25 pounds on each side. So it's really easy. You just take one. You are going to hook it into one side. That is your base. You can do one weight at a time, or you can take all the plates. Right? No, this is right. Oh. And you just slide them on in, super easy. Then you do the same with the other side. All right, and then you have the little centerpiece. And you just lock that in along the lines of the weight. Voila! Alrighty, now let's get down to reviewing the actual product. So, let's start with the pros. What I really like about this is the sleek and compact style. So it has 10 different weight sets between 5 and 50 and 5-pound increments. And what I love about it is that you have 50 pounds worth of weight, all exchangeable in a little 1 square foot section. So what is really cool about that is that for those of us who want an at-home gym or who are personal training on the go, it's really important to have something that can fit in your car, in your closet, somewhere tucked away. And I also really like how it goes up to 50 pounds because for a 130-pound girl like me, 50 pounds does quite a lot of work, especially when you have 2 of them. That is 100 pounds. So I can get a lot of really good, intense strength work done with just these simple Twistlock dumbbells. Another thing I really like about the product is I like how it functions. When I was looking into Bowflex versus Core, the reason why I went with this one is because the Bowflex had a lot more comments of broken little weight pads or of sticking together, and I didn't see as many negative reviews on this one, so that's why I chose this product. And I agree, I haven't had any issues taking the weight out and putting it back in. It slides really nicely, goes all the way up. Oh yeah, 30 pounds. Woo! So Personally, I haven't had any issues with that. I think it functions really well, and it is so fast in between sets. I can go from one set to another set, you know, using 10 pounds to 30, and it's really quick. Alrighty, so let's talk about the cons of this product. So one thing that I didn't love about it is when you're only using the 10 pound, it has this really awkward, like, Batmobile kind of shape to it. And the only problem I've run into that is when doing renegade rows or anything with the dumbbell on the floor, you can either put it on its little points or you can flip it onto its belly, neither of which is very stable. So for someone who's not used to stabilizing their weights on the ground like that, it could definitely cause a slip or an injury. Another thing that I don't necessarily love about it is that if you are using something that is a little bit heavier, you have these full big circles, and let's say that I'm trying to do like a chest press with it, there's really not a lot of great place to do two hands on one weight. It's a little bit awkward, it's really big. Luckily I have huge monkey hands that can handle a circle like this, but not for everyone. I know a lot of us really prefer those little compact dumbbells, super easy. So that is the two things that I don't like about it. Other than those two complaints, I would say that this product has been working very well for me. I can use it for upper body, for a little bit of leg strength, for core, rotational, pretty much any move that you need a dumbbell. So I think that I would rate these overall 4.7 out of 5. I really like the product. I think that it's a great design. Again, super easy for people who just want a little home gym. Super easy for personal trainers who have to carry lots of weight all over the place. And it is definitely something that I would recommend to people at home, other professional personal trainers, fit pros, anything like that. I think you should invest your money in it. It's really dollars well spent. So Hans, what do you think about the Core Home Fitness Twistlock Dumbbells? I agree. I think they're an excellent investment. I really love to use them, but if you are still uncertain, let's see these babies in action. Alrighty guys, so overall I would absolutely recommend these to fitness professionals, anyone who wants to build their own at-home gym, or someone just looking for a good steal on a bunch of dumbbells. I mean, these are so much cheaper than buying 5, 10s, 15s, 20s. That is expensive. I definitely think this product is worth it for your budget, worth it for your space, your time, and it is absolutely worth it for your muscles. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope this product review was helpful to anyone who's thinking about buying this product. If you have any other questions or comments, you can always reach out to me on my Instagram, or you can comment down below if you have questions about these babies. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more content like this, hit that notifications button so that you get notified when I post more videos in the future. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, as that really helps me and my channel grow. And otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, have some amazing workouts this week, and I will see you all next Wednesday for some more fun. Mwah! Mwah. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye. Here to review this product. This is a 12-pound weight, and he's a little wiggly, but if you're doing some overhead presses or some little tiny bean huggers, he's the perfect design. Sleek, smart, intelligent, handsome, sexy. He's all good. I would give this a 10 out of 10. Actually, on second thought, I would give him a 13 out of 10. Hansi, come back! Hansi, come here! Come here, Pepper! Oh yes! Oh yes! This is Hans. This is my dog Hans, and I love him. Oh! What a bean.